In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a Google Ads account to your Google Ads Manager account. If you manage multiple campaigns or work across several clients, linking accounts to your manager account keeps everything in one place, streamlines permissions, and simplifies oversight. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct manager account and confirm you have the authority to manage the account you're about to link. Start by going to your Google Ads account. Open your browser, head to ads.google.com and sign in to your Google Ads Manager account. Once you're in, navigate to Admin. This is the control center for high-level settings, where you manage structure and governance for your manager account. Inside Admin, choose Access and Security. This area centralizes who can connect, what level of access they have, and how accounts are linked under your manager. Think of it as the gateway for safely bringing additional accounts into your oversight. At the top, click the plus icon. This opens the panel to add the new account you want to link. In the field provided, enter the email associated with the Google Ads account you wish to bring under your manager. It's important to use the correct email for the account's owner or administrator. Double-check for typos, make sure there are no extra spaces, and confirm you're using the active sign-in email for that Google Ads account. After you enter the email, your manager account will issue an invitation for that account to be linked. The recipient will need to accept the invite on their end. If you're coordinating with a teammate or a client, let them know to watch for the email and to approve the request promptly. If they don't see it, suggest checking spam or promotions folders and verifying that their organization's filters allow emails from Google Ads. While the invite is pending, you can return to Access and Security to monitor status. Once the invitation is accepted, the account will appear under your manager, and you'll be able to manage access, view performance, and work across accounts without switching profiles. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. Make sure you're acting from your manager account, not a sub-account. Confirm you have admin-level privileges, and verify that the email you entered is the correct one for the account you intend to link. And that's it. By going to your Google Ads account, opening Admin, selecting Access and Security, clicking the plus icon, and entering the correct email, you've set up a clean, secure path to link a Google Ads account to your Google Ads Manager account.